All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in the desert of Arizona. I left Tucson yesterday after a week of just fantastic cycling, and I am on my way to Southern California, San Juan Capistrano, to meet up with more triking friends. I have stopped to camp on some BLM land. It's a very interesting place. I was here just over a week ago with some friends, and I'm going to be doing another video about that because we got our trikes out and we rode to a dam and a reservoir, and it was a very interesting ride. But I'm camped here. This is BLM land, Bureau of Land Management, and one thing that's very interesting about this spot is there are petroglyphs. The Hohokam peoples lived here in AD 900, and this campground actually has the largest collection of petroglyphs, and so I thought I would just take a walk around them. And I have a topic that I want to open up for discussion. It's something that I've been thinking about a lot, and I am concerned that recumbents may not survive electric assist, and I really want to let you know why I think that and to open it up for discussion, and I would love to know what you guys think. So all right, let's explore this area and this topic. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so I am walking around this site with 800 petroglyphs, and you can probably see there's a lot of drawings on these rocks. This is the campground, Painted Rocks Petroglyphs campground, and this site has the most of all the petroglyphs in this area. This is left over from the Hohokam peoples from AD 900 to AD 1400, where they lived and farmed, and these are the remnants. So I have been living pretty much full-time RVing with my truck and trailer and my trike now for about 2 years, and what I am seeing is an explosion of electric assist. Everywhere I go, people are riding these two-wheel electric assist bikes in the RV parks, on all the trails. Most places that I go, there are far more electric assist bikes than unassisted. To me, it feels like the biggest thing that has ever happened to cycling. It is growing. It is definitely here to stay. And I am thinking back to when I was looking at trike touring, and I had one really big issue that I needed to overcome, and that was I couldn't get up and over the hills on a two-wheel bike without walking, and that for me was a showstopper. It just seemed really like a terrible idea to go on a tour and have to walk up all the hills. And I am looking at the bikes that are available now, and they certainly would have solved my problem. And I'm thinking, if the bikes that are available now had been available when I was looking for a way to start touring, I will bet that I would have gone with some of these two-wheel upright electric assist bikes. And there's really a number of reasons why they are attractive. One, the price. You know the price is going to be probably less than half of what I spent on my trike and then with the electric assist. And the other thing is the electric assist is integrated into the bike. And so it is designed, it is spec'd, it is warranted by the manufacturers. And a lot of these manufacturers are much bigger than any manufacturer that makes recumbents. And when I'm looking at the two-wheel recumbents, and I know a lot of people that have two-wheel recumbents, and they're fantastic bikes, but there are no, as far as I'm aware, there are no recumbent manufacturers that have integrated electric assist. I'm pretty sure that the market is just too small for that. And from my perspective, it looks like recumbents are not growing, that it is a shrinking market, and so it's probably not really worth it. A lot of people have added electric assist to their recumbents, and it works out great. It's totally an option. There's a lot of different motors and systems and batteries that you can put on your recumbent, but you are going to void the warranty. And so, you know, that's a pretty big concern, not just for two-wheel recumbents, but for trikes. But with trikes, a lot of the manufacturers have added electric assist. I know my trike is made by HP Velotechnic, and you can buy integrated electric assist. ICE has integrated electric assist, and I'm pretty sure that Cat Trike does as well. There may be others, but there's also a lot of trike manufacturers that don't offer electric assist yet. I'm pretty sure that everybody will be getting on board, and trikes are a growing market, so it makes sense that they would want to grow with the trends, you know, what people are looking for in a new trike. But I'm really wondering if, when I was going to be starting touring, if these bikes had been available then, I think I probably would have bought one. And it makes me really concerned about the survival of especially two-wheel recumbents in this age of electric assist, and can they survive? So I would love to know what you guys think. I really want to open up this topic for discussion. I think it's an important issue. I'm concerned about the survival of recumbents, particularly two-wheel recumbents. And I really feel like what people are finding with electric assist, it's the same thing that I am finding once I added it to my trike, is that it's just giving me so much freedom. I don't have the worries about getting up and over the hills. I can go where I need to go. I can keep up with whoever I'm riding with. And even though the two-wheel bikes are not going to be nearly as comfortable as recumbents, the ride's going to take half as long, right? And so I just think that people will find the freedom of being able to ride where they want to ride, and it's probably enough, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I answer all comments, and please be safe, be healthy, and I will see you in the next video.